Do you want to save energy on your home electricity bill? Or do you want help trying to figure out what appliances are using the most energy in your home and what is attributing to your bill? Well, these TP-Link Smart Home Wi-Fi mini plugs may just do the trick for you. Let's talk about it. Hello again, welcome to Friendly Tips. My name is Nathaniel. I'm going to be talking to you guys today about smart plugs. So there's a plethora of smart plugs out there on the market, and I know you can buy, I would say, dumb ones that you can just plug in the wall and set a timer and twist it and have it turn on and turn off whenever you so please. But smart plugs are, I think, in my opinion, a lot better because it gives you the ability from your phone remotely to be able to turn on or turn off appliances and devices at will, wherever you are in the home or if you're remote. It also gives the ability to set away patterns. So if you want to plug it into a lamp, you can have it turn on or turn off. So it kind of lets your house be a little bit more unpredictable when you're gone. So I have the TP-Link Smart Plugs. I have a few of them actually, but I have two different types. This one is the Smart Mini Plug, so it gives you the ability, let me show you, to plug in two in the same the outlet right above, one on top of the other. That's what the picture is trying to showing. But it does not have energy monitoring. That's the one thing that it doesn't have. This one, which is also by TP-Link, is a little bit bulkier, but in order for the bulkiness here, it allows you to track the power usage. So it's great if you want to plug it into a device that you're trying to see or try to figure out more like which devices are using the most power in your home. So I have it plugged into my TV downstairs. I also have it plugged in up here for my computer, so that way I can turn it off when I'm not using it or charging, so that way I'm not draining the power when I'm not using it. And then I have these ones plugged in at a few other spots around my house, like for lamps or for certain devices downstairs in the kitchen that I don't only use maybe at a certain time. So I have it programmed around the house to turn on and turn off at certain increments in time, and I'm also able to track the power usage, which is great. I have seen my energy bill go down after using these, and I think that they are very beneficial. I believe that you can get them for 20 bucks all the way up to I think 40 bucks. I will check that and post that in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description down below with exact information. But I think that they are great, and I think that they're an awesome usage in your home, and I think you can really benefit from them. So the one nice thing about this is that it has a mobile app that allows you to monitor everything and hook it up to Amazon Alexa or Google Home. So if you have a smart speaker, it allows you to talk to these devices and turn them on or off. It's very dead simple to set up, so it even has it on the box. I will, however, demo it right after this, just to show like how the setup of the app goes. But it's basically dead simple. You just download the app. You basically plug in the smart plug. Then you configure the smart plug with the app. It's called Casa is the name of the app. Why they named it that over TP-Link, it may have been an older brand that they acquired or whatever. But it's dead simple to set up and easy to use, and I highly recommend it for everyone. So let's dive into the app, and I can show you some of the features and more in depth about it. So guys, I'm going to show you how to set up the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi Plug. The one I'm going to set up is the Energy Monitor one. So we're going to first dive into the Casa app here. And what we have to do is we hit as you can see here, it pairs with my Nest thermostat and the three other plugs I have in the house. So you can name them. You're in the top right, if you hit the plus, it gives you an option of all the different devices. So I'm going to go down here to Smart Plug, the one that looks like ours. I'm going to make sure that the power is blinking, which it is. Hit Next. And then we're going to wait for it to search. Just what it's going to do is it's going to turn off my Wi-Fi, as you saw on the top, and it's going to start searching for the Wi-Fi network of that smart plug. That's how you pair with it. So see, it's found it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the device. So I'm going to start from scratch, even though I have used it before. I'm going to call it, this is the third bedroom. I'm going to give it the same image, but you can obviously choose any other ones. So if you have a Christmas tree, if you have it plugged into your fan, AC unit, you name it, you can do it, or you can choose an image of your own. but I'm just simple like that. So it already pulls in my Wi-Fi network and my password that I've already used before. Makes life easy. So now it's going to now send that Wi-Fi password information to the TP-Link so it can then connect to my Wi-Fi router. It's dead simple and easy, just plugging this all in. So it says, great, you're all done. Now it's now added to my saved device. So as you can see, it's been added. It's right here in the third bedroom. It says local only. So that you have to change to be able to change it when you're remote. So you go to the top right here in the settings, and you turn on remote control. See, it's already been turned on. So if I go back out, oh, that's weird. Let me make sure I turn it on and turn it back on. And I'll just re-enable it right here. And there we go. So now it works. So now, if you go into scheduling, that's where you can schedule it to do things. So for me, I like to have it turn on my plug. I like to do it at 4:30 because that's about when I get home. I'm going to do it every single day throughout the week. And then I'm going to have it turn off my smart plug at 11, or actually 10:45 is what I usually have it turned off at. So usually I'm done in here by that time. I'm going to have it repeat every single week. So that way it's only on during that time frame. So that's the schedule I can do. As you can see, I am using it right now. It is turned on with a green light, so I can see the usage, the current power, the total consumption, past 7 days, 30 days. And if I want to set things to away, a timer, you can. Under settings, you can see that it has MAC address. It has all the different details you might have. Really a lot of details in here. It's a really cool app. So that's an overview of the TP-Link Smart Plug. Again, I have the energy monitoring one and the mini one that I just demoed. I think that they are great devices to have in your house, and it makes it a lot easier for me when I'm going away for vacation to not have to remember to unplug all the devices to save power and energy, or to turn things to away. I can just go into the app if I forget and just turn them off and set the timers or away system, and it just works. I mean, I think that's what everyone really wants with a timing system. It just works. So I hope this was beneficial. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you are going to go out and buy your own, let me know in the comments. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like on this video. I really appreciate it. It helps me really do well, especially starting off here with this YouTube channel by doing those things. And if you have any questions about the product, please leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to try to answer it, and if I can't answer it, I will point you in the right direction based off research I'm going to be doing. So, again, thanks so much, and have a great day, guys.